All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Deluxe Motorsports. Welcome back to the YouTube. Today we got a 2020 Chevy Silverado 1500 factory Z71 truck RST. And yes, sir, it gets even better. This is a Black Widow edition as well. This is an option that you could have bought when the truck was brand new. These trucks new they had an addendum of anywhere from $18,000 to $24,000 to buy one of these trucks new from Chevrolet. There are some nice upgrades. For sure, the full list of them will be directly on my website. All of this has been changed since the truck was new. It is part of the Black Widow package. So we'll start over here on the passenger side. Passenger side's in really good shape. You got a little spot right there on the seat. Again, Black Widow. It is stamped in the headrest. It is also stamped in the gauge display as well. This is a factory sunroof truck, which is nice. Leather interior, heated seats. We're going to go through final detail on this, just clean it up just a little bit more, and she's going to be ready for sale within the next couple days. If you're seeing this video, that means this truck is ready for sale. It's on the truck lot, ready to go. Come on. All right, factory dual exhaust. Absolutely zero rust on the undercarriage, as you guys can see from right there. It's got the back rack with the big upgraded cubes. Looks like they got a like people do some lazy wiring. Like, look at that lazy wiring. We'll fix it up, don't worry. We'll make it just like it's supposed to be. Again, factory Z71, factory RST, Black Widow package on top of that. It's rocking a set of 35 BFGs. They are dirty as hell from my car lot, but gosh damn, they got some tread left on them. Decent amount of tread left. I'd say every bit of 85-ish% tread left. Again, frame's in really good shape. This is a one-owner truck out of Virginia. Virginia is not a rusty state by any means. This truck was owned from just one simple customer. Driver's side interior, you got a little bit of tear mark right there, just where it's separated. A tiny bit of regular wear on top of the leather, like you guys would expect on a 2020 with 90,000 miles. Again, factory heated seats. Factory navigation. We do have a new armrest cover for that, so that will be gone. That is definitely getting recovered. You got factory Z71 floor mats. They're in good shape as well. The back seats, same thing. They're still in extremely good shape. No rips or tears in the back. You got a big power plug for your wife's hair dryer when she's trying to get all fancy. Look at this guy put this shit on here too. Black Widow badass edition. Come on now. Anyway, 2020, 97-ish, I think, thousand miles. If you guys have any questions about this truck, make sure you guys give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. Don't forget, we do ship these trucks nationwide. So if you're in the market, if you need more in-depth of video, more pictures, any of that information, just let us know. I'll be more than happy to ship this truck straight to your door. Shipping's reasonable too. We don't we charge exactly what the trucker's going to charge, no middleman fee. And these videos are pretty on point, so it'll give you a good idea of what these things are in person. You got a few rock chips up here on the hood. That's some bug guts, but you got a couple more rock chips on the grill. Pretty standard for this year truck. There was, I think, one door ding down here on the bottom. My PDR guy will be by, so we will PDR that out. You shouldn't be able to see that next time you see the truck in person. A couple small spots right there that will get touched up. Overall, I mean, you can tell, overall it's in really good shape. Looks to be all original paint on the body. Again, it'll go through final detail, just final cosmetic touch-up and whatnot, and this truck will be gleaming. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 843-697-7501. So next time, next custom video, it's your boy Mark right here, Deluxe Motorsports, Ladson, South Carolina.